Now, at long last, we are in a position to be able to understand the notion of PPP. The basic proposition will be seen to be very simple, although its ramifications are potentially much more complex. We should build the slope by putting together the components we have shown in section 2.2 and 2.3. To start with, suppose that we are dealing with two countries, the UK and the USA. Assumes transaction costs such as transport, traffic, and so on are negligible, so that the law of one price applies to all goods and services consumed. Under those circumstances, let us rewrite equation 2.2 instead of the superscript L and NY for London and New York. We should nominate one country, the UK, as the home country and lead its variables on superscript with asterisk as superscript for the other foreigner country. Now remember the C is 0 because we are assumed away transaction cost. We have Pi equal SPI star I equal 1 to N. Notice the PS have acquired subscript to show that they relate to the goods or service number I. We had no need of the subscript in section 2.1 and 2.2 because we are always referring to a particular case of a specific good. Now that we have introduced to notion of a price index, we have to distinguish carefully between individual and general price level. Equation 2.3 states that the law of one price holds with respect to the relationship between the domestic and the foreign price of goods number I. We happen also to be assumed that equation 2.3 holds with respect to all the goods consumed in the two countries. So, if there are n such goods, equation 2.3 could be respect n times over, with a different subscript each time, which explains the tin I equal 1 to n